Hello. Okay. And hello everybody, welcome back to another Play With Me video this week. In this video we will be setting up for the month of May. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and tell your friends that I'm posting a new monthly bullet journal setup every single month of the year. Yeah, that's pretty much it. For the month of May, we'll be using the color purple as our primary color. If you would like to see the always put your phone on silent before you start filming. Jesus Christ, I'm such a rookie now. For the month of May, I will be using predominantly the color purple. If you would like to see the weekly setups, I know I will not be posting them every single Sunday, but you could still see weekly setups over on my Instagram at Plan Like That, the same way it's spelled here. Right now, you could probably see April, if you're interested. April's color was blue, because April showers bring May flowers. That's right, for the month of May, we will be doing flowers as our theme, purple flowers to be precise. And hopefully this video is not as dark as April's video. Oh my god, making these videos for years. I've got lighting equipment, I've got like an expensive camera, and yet still my videos are still super dark. I don't understand. They look okay on my computer screen, but as soon as I put them on YouTube, they're just like, oh, I can't see anything. It's very uncomfortable. I'm starting to think that maybe I'm just dark, which is weird because I was always made fun of for my pale skin. So I don't know. Body dysmorphia. I don't know if I'm dark or light. Out of all my video editing skills, still don't know how to color correct. Hopefully, I'm working on it. I've actually tested some video, like I've uploaded it to YouTube to see the color. So hopefully this color is okay. I tried really hard. It took a whole day. What am I doing? I'm outlining with a Crayola Super tip in purple, and then I'm pretty sure I used a Staedtler Fineliner for the green, and now I'm adding little black details with another Staedtler Fineliner. And sticking with the cover pages for this entire year, I just wrote the word May, filled it out, and then I colored it in with the color and left little white marks. Yeah. My camera's gonna go in and out of focus this entire time. I didn't realize it was an autofocus. That's another rookie mistake I did. Oh boy, life is hard. Can you hear the bathroom noises right next to me? I'm so sorry if you do. Let's double check if you can. Oh man. Give me 1 second. No, I don't think I hear anything. I think we're good. Moving on to the next page. That was the cover page. And this shall be the monthly setup. So just the calendar. Your basic standard calendar. Just like last month, I am adding a little doodle at the corner of your screen. What? At the corner of the calendar. And right above it, I'm going to put the actual month of the year. Yeah, that's right. And then on the side of it, of course, I'm going to put the little days of the month. And look, my camera's out of focus again, but my hand is looking nice. Hello? Hey, pretty hand, how you doing? What? Botanical, I can't talk for 10 minutes straight. I lost my touch. Botanical themes are very popular in the bullet journal community. I love reposting them in my Instagram stories. For some reason, I always forget to actually do them for a theme. This is a magical miracle. But the botanical themes are usually an outline in black, and then the color is the background. For some reason, I did the outline in color. That's not the trendy way. I'm thinking next year I'm just gonna do entire botanical theme. I know Shada Campbell, which I did promote in my Instagram stories. She's doing the entire 2020 year in like the flowers of the month. And dang, that's trendy AF. Why didn't I think of that? I might do that for next year. And then I could look at all her old videos for inspiration. Oh, I'm such a loser. I can't be original. When is something ever original these days? Yeah, art, so hard. Even if I tried to copy her 100%, it won't look like hers because I'm not that artistic. But still, 100% credit to her. What else should I say? I'm filling out the dots for the days of the month. I couldn't decide if I should say week or month. And then I'm putting the little days of the week initials on the top. And I'm filling out the little circles of purple with the actual number of each day. I should zoom out to give you guys a full page view because this is kind of zoomed in a lot. Ooh, fun question. Do you like it when Plan Me videos are zoomed in to exactly what they're drawing, or do you prefer it as an overhead full view shot? Because I've noticed that some of the people I love watching, it's always a full view shot. Like, you can't detailly see what they're drawing, but you could always see the whole page. And here I'm filming them as close-ups. Why? Moving on to the mood tracker, same as every single month, I just write the word mood tracker, and if this would focus, you could see that I'm drawing the little 3 squares for the mood colors, and I'll be filling them out later with 2 different color purples. For the actual moods, these are supposed to be leaves, as in like flower leaves. They could be petals too, if you use your imagination. They probably will be, since I will be coloring them purple. Hello. But just like the raindrops, I decided I will just use the color for the outline. Wow, focus camera, you could do it. Yank, no. Come on. Little, yeah. The struggle. How did I not notice this? Oh, that was a roughie. So, oh my god, I hate this. So I just drew the leaves / petals with my pencil, and then I'll fill them out later. I did, however, make sure to number them for every day of the month, and then I went back and checked how many days are in the month and made sure I drew enough. Right about... No, in a little bit. But you could see I already filled out the colors at the bottom there. So it's light purple. Snappy cakes! Turn off your alarms when you're recording! So it's a light purple, and then dark purple, and then little half and half for the okay kind of days. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Then on the other side, I have a little notes page, and I just wrote the word notes on the bottom corner, because hey, that's to leave room for the actual notes that you're going to put out. Oh, this is the part where I flip it over and check how many days are in the month. There you go. I'm just using a regular old mechanical pencil to sketch out. Nothing fancy here. This is the same mechanical pencil I used throughout high school and college. I didn't lose it. Recycle your art supplies. And here's the entire flip through of the entire monthly setup. What else do you guys add to your monthly setups? And if you do add anything else, do you find yourself using them? Because I find myself not using them if I make it like super extra. But thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and tell your friends that I'll be posting a new monthly setup every single month of this year. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!